welcome back to the channel, and today we are talking about Viking bags. Viking bags reached out to us and wanted us to do some demos and some reviews of some of their products. So the first one they started with was this backpack, tactical backpack right here. You can see in the front it's got Maui spots in there, so you can mount stuff into here like you can Maui panels on an overland rig. It does have let's go to the back side. Backpack straps for this. It is designed for a motorcycle to put on the Sissy bar in the back. So it's got straps here to mount the mounted on the Sissy bar and everything. Backpack straps with the chest strap and the waist strap. It does have a pouch back here for a computer or tablet. In the front, it opens up, and it does have spots for pens, pencils, notepads, whatever you may want there, plus a pouch there. It has a pouch up here that opens up to put little stuff in. It's got a middle pouch here, and it's got a pouch here and a sunglass holder that clips on. This is a wet pouch, so you open it up and it does carry. It's kind of like a vinyl thing. This hooks on. This can hook up on your Maui bag. You can see it's got just put whatever you want in there. Again, another pouch here to put stuff in. You can see it. And we have one more zipper here. That opens right up. And it's got a zipper bag here. Put stuff in. Elastic bag. Another pouch here to put laptop or computer in. Can also carry clothes and gear in here. The zipper does have a locking on this one. So there's a loop to put like a luggage lock on. See if I can show you. There it is. You can see a luggage lock there. All in all, it's a heavy duty backpack, nice heavy canvas tactical backpack. It has a hole here, so if you want to run headphones through here and put them in the back, you can. But all in all, a great backpack for off-roading, motorcycling, dirt biking, even snowmobiling. This is from Viking Bags. It's got a spot on the front. It comes with a couple patches, but it's a Velcro panel here, so if you want to get other patches, you can put them on here. We'll be testing this out. We're going to put some of our gear in here from the side-by-side, kind of switch things around a little bit as we carry a little bit of this and that in there. I think we can put everything into this bag and carry it with us. So we're going to test it out and see how it works for us. So more reviews coming on this, or more updates on the Facebook channel and stuff as we use this throughout the next year. And we'll let you know how it performs. But again, this is Viking Bags. You can find them on vikingbags.com. They're geared morely towards motorcycles on and off road, but I'm sure you can find something there that might fit your needs as well. So let us know what you think. This is Chris from Skinner's Outdoor Adventures.